Wow. Interesting. Wow, we are going to farm now. Piggery farming. You know, when we get there, you see what I'm talking about.
Oh yes, let's move there. I told you, when you get to the farm, you see what I'm talking about. Now we are going gradually. Bike man, you have to take it easy. Oh my God. It's not that too far. We're almost there. Wow. Yeah, need to park here. Yes. Follow me gradually. Follow me majestically so that you not fall down here. Wow, we need to jump. Me too. What here?
Some have started and they later forget what they are doing here. I know it's not easy. Why are you packing all this?
Okay, I need to pack it because I need to make the house clean. Because one thing about pig is if the house is very dirty, they won't be able to eat in that environment. Some people believe that pigs are very dirty and they like, but I'm going to prove them wrong. In the sense that if you pour feed for pig now, if it is littered, they will have to go to one side to go and defecate. They won't defecate where they are eating. So that's one of the signs that you know that pigs are not dirty at all. Compared to other animals like goat and the likes, they will be defecating where they are eating, but pig is quite different. They will have a corner, a separate corner that they are going to defecate at.
Now, Mr. Raphael,
Yes, sir.
what can you tell us? At least we need to know more about this.
Well,
Like somebody that want to start something like this, what is your advice?
my advice for people that want to start something like this is everything doesn't come in a platter of gold. You just need to follow your dreams. So if this is what you like, you want to invest in some years, You might not like, you might not be seeing gain and the likes. It's an investment. Not that you invest now and you are going to make money. So my advice for people is plan well. Start with what you have. Don't think till you have millions of naira before you start everything. I actually started with just 3 rooms. So now at least I'm going to like 10 rooms now. So I started with just 2 or 3 pigs. Now I can say I have more than 45 or so.
Rafe. Wow, interesting. What prompted to this? Why young man like you?
Actually, as I said earlier, it's passion anyways. So when other people are shouting white collar job and the likes, there are a lot of things you can offer to your country, to your community. And there are some things you'll be doing that I know I'm fulfilled, I'm satisfied. So I can't just be saying I need a job that they'll be paying me. No, I can be a boss of myself. So just follow your heart. Know the area you can perform excellently.
Wow.
I think that's the place you are going to excel in life.
See. Interesting. I see fish pond here. My people, you don't need to waste your time, don't waste your energy to be looking for job elsewhere. You can start doing something. You can start doing something on your own. You can see fish pond here, see banana tree. Wow. Life is so beautiful. Can you tell us what happened? Is it crying or what? Because of food.
So,
wow. Sorry, why are you adding water to it?
To make it moist.
And
so
what?
To make it moist so that they can eat it very well. If you give them raw, they are going to eat it, but it won't be as easy as you mixing it like this.
Interesting. I want more people in the whole world. People in the whole world to meet
Mr. Adebola Rafa.
Wow. How do you manage? As a young man, I was saying it. How you, young man, leaving the city, come down to the inside bush like this and started doing.
Actually, what I'm going to say, everything is passion. If you have passion for something, no matter how difficult it is, so you'll find your way to the place. So I don't mind. I'm a graduate of urban and regional planning. I'm still a serving corporal presently. That doesn't stop me of having my own personal business.
Imagine copper.
Yeah, I'm a serving corporal presently.
Copper. Hey.
So,
wow.
That is it.
Interesting.
Anything you like, you're going to create time for it. There won't be obstruction. Actually, there might be obstruction, but you are going to conquer it. So that's just it.
Now I can see this place is not me. Like how many years?
I was once in the town, but I was sent from that place, threatening with environmental police, Ministry of Health, and whatever. So I have to leave the place, come and get secure this place. Yeah, I've started since 2020. Yeah, so I started with just 3 rooms. I started with just 4 pigs. Yeah, like I remember.
Now, how many are there now?
Approximately, I have like 40 or thereabouts. Yeah.
40. Wow. This is so wonderful. I can see. How do you manage to feel this, and what can you tell people? Because some people will say, it's not possible. You don't have millions. You can't start something big.
Actually, what I'm going to tell people is, I will still repeat the word passion. Consistency. Consistency. If you have passion for something, you are consistent, then you are praying. Everything is going to work out for you. Actually, you are going to face challenges here and there. To feed them now, at least in a week, I'm spending more than 25,000 or thereabouts. So for anything you have passion for, you just source for the money. You look for money elsewhere to invest here. So everything. At the end of the day, you know you are investing. You might not have any cash at your hand presently, but you know you have money somewhere. That hope will keep you going. No, no, no. But I don't have cash presently, but I have investment that worth millions. So
Oh my God!
that is it.
As a copper, how much are you? How much are they giving you?
Yeah, collecting. Actually, our federal government is trying. They are taking that huge amount of 33,000.
33,000.
So for a month, yeah. Our government is trying. Let's commend them.
Oh my
So
God!
that's it.
So, wow! I'm so impressed. I'm so excited, and you know, I know you have some things to tell others. How what can you tell people?
What's
The
the only
encouragement.
the only thing I can say to young people out there is just chase your dream. So if you stop
Chase your
chasing your dream, you're doing like your dream will just be there. Just start from somewhere. Start from somewhere. It's not until you have millions of naira in your account. When I wanted to secure this place, I don't have any dime in my account. I don't have anything. I was even a student of University of Ilorin then, so I don't have anything then, bro. Actually, I know I want to start something. If you start something from there, the initiative will be coming and the like. So you just find your way, no matter how difficult it might be. I would say it's to people that consistency is just the key. Be consistent, be focused, be persistent, and have faith in God. With that, you might face a lot of challenges, but you are going to overcome it with time. So the difference between now and then is just time. You are going to make it in life. I'm pretty sure. So,
I love your courage. Where do you finish? You said you finished from where?
yeah, I studied urban regional planning, University of Ilorin.
University of Learning. Oh my God, great! I was the what's the slogan of the school? Better by far. Wow, I can see now. Better by far.
Better by far. Better by stress. If you stress yourself, you're going to attain a moment when you'll be resting and the like. But as a farmer, you don't need to rest too much. Work hard, be consistent, and keep praying to God. And I know God is helping us, and we are achieving our dream.
Amen. Like, assuming now, if they give you a job of 50,000, what can you do?
On one condition, I can do a job of 50,000 in as much as it's not going to affect my farm. But if it is going to affect my farm, you've not resumed it, you are no, I can't do it. It's better I focus on my farm. The energy I'm going to dissipate in another person's business, how much? It's better I dissipate that energy on my farm. Then I know anything that happens, I will be the sole owner and be responsible for anything. I won't neglect my business now.
For starting this big farm, I know it's a lot of money. Did you collect grants or somebody? Is there any? I don't know whether government supports you on this.
I
don't know.
no.
Can you tell us on that?
Actually, there are a lot of advertisement of loan out there from government and whatever. If you see some news 2 days ago or yesterday, CBN is chasing farmers that they disbursed over 600 billion. You don't know. At least I think it's farmers like us, people like us that need the money. Let me just thank God. It has been God all the way. So it has been family, friends.
Wow. God will support you. I know federal government, our government, they will do something. They must do something.
I hope
to
so, and I'm going to appreciate if our government
Copper! Copper! Wow. Hope you can see what is going on here. This is Mr. Raphael, graduates from University of Ilorin. He's really doing good. He's really doing good here. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Next time, I'm going to give you more about this Mr. Raphael. Thank you. Bye for now.